Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a powerful passage from the book of Isaiah that paints a vivid picture of God's glory and protection. So, grab a comfy spot, and let's explore Isaiah 4:5-6 together. Isaiah 4:5-6 reads, "Then the Lord will create over all of Mount Zion and over those who assemble there a cloud of smoke by day, and a glow of flaming fire by night. Over everything the glory will be a canopy. It will be a shelter and shade from the heat of the day, and a refuge and hiding place from the storm and rain." Now let's break this down. This passage is a promise of divine protection and presence. Imagine a canopy, a protective covering spread out over you. That's God's glory, shielding you from the harshness of life's challenges. During the day, a cloud of smoke provides shade from the scorching sun. It's a reminder that God is with us, even when life feels overwhelming and exhausting. And by night, a glowing fire lights our way, ensuring we're never lost in the darkness. But there's more to this imagery. The canopy signifies God's constant presence. In ancient times, a canopy was used in weddings, symbolizing union and commitment. Here it represents God's unwavering commitment to be with us, to protect us, and to guide us. This canopy isn't just a temporary shelter. It's described as a refuge and a hiding place from the storm and rain. Life's storms can be fierce, and sometimes we feel battered by challenges and hardships, but under God's canopy we find safety and peace. So what does this mean for us today? It's a beautiful assurance that, no matter what we face, God's glory surrounds us. We're never alone. His presence is a constant, protective force in our lives. Take a moment to reflect on this promise. Whenever you feel the heat of life's pressures or the storm of troubles, remember that God's canopy of glory is over you. Seek His presence, rest in His shelter, and trust in His protection. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Isaiah 4:5-6. If you found this message uplifting, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more inspiring insights from the scriptures. Stay blessed, and I'll see you in the next video.